Welcome to Ultrasound Reporting Tool. Tutorial number 8. How to add a diagram to Technologist worksheet. After launching the app, log in with your username and password. If you have not registered as a user, watch the tutorial number 1, How to register a new user. The link is in the description down below. Go to the table of contents and select a topic. Tap Picture icon. If the admin lock is on, you need to unlock it. If you have not set up an admin password, watch tutorial number 3, How to create an admin password. The link is in the description down below. Tap Admin Lock, enter admin password, and return to diagram page. Now you can add or change diagrams. You only need to save these diagrams once. They will be available to all users. All of your devices will also be updated with these diagrams immediately. You will need coins to save these diagrams permanently. If you don't know how to purchase coins, watch tutorial number 2, How to purchase coins. The link is in the description down below. There are 3 diagrams for breast ultrasound worksheet: right, left, and bilateral. Your app will automatically select the correct diagram based on the type of scan. If you want the same diagram for right, left and bilateral, save the same diagram for all 3 parts. Tap the field, Add a diagram for right breast. There are 3 ways that you can do this. Import from your photos, import from your iCloud files, and capturing the diagram directly with your device camera. Let's import the diagram from Photos album. If you see the diagram, that means that you have successfully saved the diagram to your device and all of your other devices. Repeat the same process to add other diagrams. To remove a diagram, tap on the related field and select Remove Image. If you want to add your own customized diagram with your drawings, there is an easy and fast way to achieve this by capturing the image of your drawings. Any users can access this feature and there is no need to unlock the admin password. Select the field indicated as Add My Own Drawings. Select Capture with Camera. Capture your drawing and crop it if necessary. Tap Keep Scan and then tap Save. In the final step of creating the worksheet, you must select which diagram you want to add. By default, no diagram is selected. Tap on the field and select your diagram. The selected diagram will be added only to Technologist worksheet. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us by email support from the login page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new tutorial.